boring Sunday in Australia.
Hello everyone, I'm Michelle and I'm a Filipina living in Australia. Since we were so busy last week, we just decided not to do anything special for this Sunday. To run errands, and so we walked around the neighborhood. Ooh, look at the lechon, kalami. I wanted to buy, but they don't sell it. Someone ordered a whole pig. So my stomach rumbling and I was drooling. I just walk around. I acted as a tour guide with my husband because I was busy working the whole week and didn't even have time to explore the neighborhood. And then we went to the mall because we have to pick up some groceries and some items for the house. It's really busy day. It's a Sunday, so everyone was out. Can you believe it? Christmas decorations are out and Halloween decorations. In the Philippines, when it's September, all Christmas decorations are out already and you can hear Christmas songs in the malls. Makadungudyo ka sa tanang kanta ni Jose Maris Chan pag Christmas na or September na sa Pinas. I was quite surprised to see so many Christmas decorations out now here in Australia. So anyhow, we just picked a couple of rugs for the house. And we had along. I stopped by in his flower shop, so pretty. And I saw this nice fish market. I was just looking at the fish, wondering what to buy. And then this lady was a bit annoying, so I just didn't want to buy it all. Sayang, pero medyo malainon man ang kuan, tindira. And then we stopped by in the grocery. We have to get a couple of drinks and some items for the pantry. Then we have to grab some vegetables. And we were looking for bread because we ran out of bread. And you know how Australians are, they love the bread. And we went out from the mall. Our legs were in pain from the gym workout yesterday. Thank you for watching on our boring day, and I hope you have a great week.